DOP of the show, Manoj Soni, and the very talented director, Aditya Sarpodar.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks, Prisha, for that introduction. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Big shout out to Voot, of course, Voot Select. It's awesome to be doing work and telling stories where, of course, everyone will enjoy it. And it was great fun making the show together. We're actually really caked because this is work, but it's actually our party to be standing and hanging out with each other again. So yeah, we've dressed up nicely and we're players of sorts. There was also a fantastic round of applause for the performers who, the dancers, guys, to interpret a story and take a one-liner and make the most of it. How are you feeling now, sir?
You're taking over my job.
You know,
Man, these
I
are
started
hard
off
days.
as,
These
as
are
an
hard
MC.
days. These are hard days. Don't let me keep my job. Okay, no. So, can you people missing? That's how large this ensemble prolific cast is. So, what I'm going to request y'all is come this way. Let's take a look at the trailer, which you haven't seen.
Yes, yes.
You will love that.
So, Aditya, I'm going to start with you because there's no way I can ask everyone questions. Okay, you're going to have to lead this for us. How has it been handling such a large, prolific ensemble cast, two of whom are missing? I mean, we would have loved to have Atul and Ashwini here, but they couldn't make it. But tell us a little about how you put all of this together.
Good evening. So to answer this, it's actually very easy. When you have a great script and when you have like a very good talent cast on board, and when all are very sorted about what their characters are, it's easier to mold them into telling the story the best possible way you can. And the way it's written, the show is written in such an intricate way that everyone has a role to play. So it's basically a show, as you see on the trailer, about a family which has secrets. And everyone in the family has a lot of secrets to hide. So when you are trying to open the show with such a brilliant cast, and you have each one to do some really great stuff in it, it's not so difficult to get them to be a part of as a team. And as you rightly said, we had Atul and Ashwini who were spearheading the whole gang because they were the most senior of the lot. They have done a lot of body of work, is brilliant, and Ashwini is coming back after a long time. People have seen her a long time ago in cinema, and it was very exciting to have them be the head of the family here, where in the show they are the head of the family too. So to get them to play the heads, to have us follow them, to have us actually be a part of a very well-written show was very exciting, and I think it was easy for me to just manage the team and let them do their thing.
Okay, that's great. I'm going to throw it open to you guys. If there's some fun tidbits that you want to give us, let us know. If something unique that we should all know, or maybe not know, happened on the sets.
I think we covered almost every inch of Goa with the shoot.
Yep.
Right? Either with work or through party.
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay,
largely
right,
work
so-
only.
So the show is shot in Goa, and then the whole tidbits happened there. So I think there's a different behind-the-scenes coverage that we need to have.
Which we'll,
About, yeah.
Okay, so we'll do that. And what we need to do is get all of you all in one unison to say, subscribe now to Voot Select.
All right.
Go for it.
Give us a count.
1, 2, 3.
Subscribe now.
Subscribe now to Voot Select.
Vote select.
No, we'll do it once more. In unison.
We need a few rehearsals.
Thank you. I know, I'm feeling your pain. Subscribe now to Voot Select.
Subscribe now to vote select.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being around. Thank you for a fantastic show, and we'll do lots more together.
Thank you.
But
Thanks a lot, everyone.
You know what? We need a picture. This is a family framed, as the promo said. Come here.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Iqbal Khan, Valusha D'Souza, and of course the uber talented director and producer, Apurva Lakhia.
Super excited. Have you guys
Sir,
recovered?
looking amazing, sir. Farzad. Isn't Farzad looking amazing, guys?
The,
Let's
prob-
hear it for him first.
the problem is he doesn't cast me.
Sorry, sir?
The problem is he doesn't cast me.
Sir, पेट पे क्यों लात मार रहे हो सर? वैसे ही कम काम मिल रहा है. ऐसे मत करो, sir.
Okay, come on this way. Let's have a look at some of that early footage that Apur's somehow made happen for us, even if it's untreated and uncut and raw. So now, since again, while we were working to put Booth Select together and couldn't join you on the shoot, do you want to tell us what really happened? How miserable did you make everyone's life? And some more.
I think it was good fun to shoot. Only thing, the weather was really tough because we shot in locations which were not very conducive to shooting action. But when I met Gaurav for the first time, he told me that he wanted to do a big show. So I got really excited, and then I met Farzad. He said he doesn't have money to make a big show. So I got a little confused at what he wanted me to do. So this is what we made with a big show and less money. And hopefully it'll kick.
I think we've hit on a new formula. It looks good.
Yeah, bro, don't get excited. Season 2 is coming. But yeah, it was great. We managed getting really good talent on the show. Saqib, Iqbal, Valusha, Pilgaonkar is not here. Ekawali Khanna, Mr. Rajesh Salang, the big boss. So I think we had a good cast. All of them are really physically fit. The action was good fun doing, and the camaraderie was fantastic. Also, the support we got from Woot was really good. They listened to what we had to say, and I think it was a really pleasurable experience working with this portal. So thank you all very much.
Saqib, I heard some gossip about you and an ice slab. Do you want to tell us about that?
You know, Farzad, since I was young, I have been a huge fan of the action genre. And I always thought कि यार life में कभी कुछ action ज़रूर करूँगा. So I know Appu for the last 5-6 years, and he called me. He said he has something. Why don't you read it? I read it. I liked it, and I was very excited कि action करने को मिलेगा. तो मैं आपको पहले बता देता हूँ. जितना आसान दिखता है, उतना आसान बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. And it is physically taxing to another level, which I never thought. So there was a joke running on set. So after we shot 50% of it. So I kept telling Appu, मैंने कहा सर second season ना love story बनाते हैं. Change कर देते हैं थोड़ा action कम कर देते हैं. But to be really honest, shooting action is such a big adrenaline rush for somebody like me that I enjoyed shooting every moment of it, Farzad. I think we've made a really kick-ass show. We've got some really good action. But more than the action, I'd like to stress about the fact that we have a really good plot. The plot of the show and the way, like you said, कि बड़ा show बनाना है, budget नहीं है. But आप जब show देखेंगे तब आपको ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा. Sir, Farzad, that's a promise. Because I think the scale that we have achieved, all of us are really, really proud of it. And yes, there were rumors about, so my director here, my dearest friend here, उसको बहुत मजा आता है अपने actors को ना थोड़ा सा परेशान करने में. तो now there were a couple of torture scenes I had to have in the series. So we're shooting in Kasauli. It's 0 degrees, guys. 0 degrees. मतलब पता नहीं चल रहा सांस ले रहे हो या वो भाप मुंह से निकल रही है, क्या हो रहा है, कि कॉफी गर्म है या कॉफी ठंडी है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. He stripped me almost in my underpants. And he's told me you're getting tortured. So I'm like, how am I getting tortured, sir? The first he says, Acha, you're getting hit by a bat. I'm like, okay, doable. Okay. He thought, oh, doable. I can push him a little more. He's like, oh, your nails are being plucked out. I'm like, हाँ, वो तो makeup लगेगा ना, हो जाएगा sir. Correct. ये अच्छा है. Okay, done. Third, he says, you're on an ice slab. And this joke continued for 3 days till I actually started believing that there's going to be an ice slab. And everybody on set thought that there's going to be an ice slab. Cut to the moment we're supposed to shoot, there's a bed. I'm like, sir, ये क्या है? कह रहा relax कर यार, I'm not that evil. I'm not going to put you through this. But having said that, the amount of fun, all of us, the camaraderie that we've all been talking about, 60 days of pure, unadulterated fun. We've all gone out there and fended for one another, looked after one another, and it's just been an amazing, amazing skit. I've had a lot of fun, sir.
It shows on screen. It shows on screen. Iqbal, for you, very different kind of a role for you. You want to talk a little more about how different it's been from stuff that you've done in the past?
Very, very, very liberating as an actor because I've done a lot of stuff on TV. And, you know, inside you have this, you want to go all out and do realistic stuff and other stuff that you don't get to do on TV. So that ways it was really liberating as an artist.
What do you mean, Iqbal? What do you don't get to do on TV that you got to do here?
No spoilers.
Guys, I had to say that, sorry.
No spoilers. Okay.
Yeah,
Rajesh-
those things too, yeah.
Sure. Rajesh ji, who took the most help from you? किसने आपकी help ली? सबसे ज़्यादा. आप सबसे senior हो set पे? आपसे
इतना मुझे मत बनाइए मैं सबकी हेल्प ले रहा था ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है
Okay, ठीक है. Valusha, anything special you did to prepare for this? Lots of action,
Oh my
lots
God,
of
so
drama.
much of special stuff to talk about. So I thought action and this is great and this is something I always wanted to do. And first of all, I want to say thank you very much for believing in me and casting me in this. So I thought, okay, let me take it a notch higher. I mean, I'm going to go on set. I want to be completely prepared and I want to like kick ass with action. And so I was training separately. And I sprained my foot and it was bad because I tore my ligament and I sent a picture to all these guys because I'm saying, guys, this is very serious. I've sprained my ankle, it's really bad. Apparently I have grade 2 ligament tear and all of that. But I have to say that the man still believed in me because I was so sure I wouldn't be able to shoot 3 weeks from then. Made sure I got enough of physiotherapy, enough of whatever I needed to do. Someone told me put haldi, I would put haldi. Someone told me to put lavender oil, I put lavender oil. I did everything. And lastly, I think you believed in me so much that I ended up coming to set and doing everything that I love to do. I was so upset when I got this happen and Apu told me, he's like, you know, Valusha, man, it's action. You're working with such cool guys and you're getting to do something you've never done before and you've gone and got this done to yourself. And I was so upset, but he manages to do that. He manages to get into your head and like mess it up and you feel so upset. But I had so much of fun. It was so thrilling. Thank you for this opportunity.
But समझ नहीं आया ना इसने अप्पू की बड़ाई की या बेइज्जती की है ना
दोनों
ऐसा मिक्सचर में आया कुछ
Okay, guys, in one loud voice, you need to yell, subscribe to Voot Select. So 1, 2, 3.
Subscribe to Voot Select!
There you go. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Last but not least, I want to thank my team here. Vibhu, Sashi, Farheen, and Abhishek. Thanks a lot, guys. You made it worthwhile.
Thank you. Do you want a quick pic? Picture. Cheers. Thanks, bro.
you.